Hi everyone, wanna do one of these projects? Easy, quick and free. Let's go. St. Valentine's is coming and you can do a very nice present for someone special. So step number 1, go to Canva. Choose video, then choose an image or write something. You can do whatever you like. Then let's download this as a PNG. Once you've downloaded, go to Apps, choose Speed Paint. Now upload your download. And then what? Then just choose the settings and click here and here, and that's it. Let the magic happen. Now you can increase the image of the video and let's start. This is the result. And here you have a quick, easy, free present for your someone special. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Bye bye for now. Happy St. Valentine's Day, by the way.